Actress Shehnaz Gill has undergone a massive transformation and we cannot get enough of it. Shehnaz became a household name during her stint in the controversial reality show Bigg Boss 13. The actress on Tuesday set the temperature soaring with her latest pictures on Instagram. The pictures have been clicked by ace photographer Dabbu Ratnani. Shehnaz captioned the post, "With some stories, you really can't rush things, and it's often best just to sit back and enjoy the journey for what it is." In the pictures, Shehnaz looks mesmerizing in new avatar. She is seen wearing black lacy leotard. She is seen sitting on the floor as she posed for the camera. Shehnaz completed her look with reading glasses, a leopard print scarf, and chose a long bob haircut. Ever since the actress came out of Bigg Boss house, she is climbing the success ladder and there is no stopping. The actress is fondly called as Katrina Kaif of Punjab. Shehnaz's chemistry with Bigg Boss 13 winner Siddharth Shukla made the duo popular, and the two even have a hashtag Sidnaz. She recently entered Bigg Boss OTT as guest. Shehnaz credits the controversial reality show Bigg Boss for everything that she has today. The Punjabi singer and actress says it has given her a new identity and emotional bonds. Bigg Boss has given me a lot, a new identity, emotional bonds, and a person who I can go to as a friend. It gives me great joy to visit the Bigg Boss OTT house with Siddharth Shukla, Shehnaz said. Shehnaz is overwhelmed with all the love that she and Siddharth have received. She added, "It's overwhelming to witness the love and support that Sidnaz fans have been showering on us. I am over the top, excited to be part of my favorite show yet again, and it will be fun to be with the other Jodis and to meet Karan sir as well." Bigg Boss OTT is streaming on Voot Select. Shehnaz enjoys a massive fan following on social media. She currently has 8.1 million followers on her Instagram handle. Shehnaz regularly uploads her hot pictures and videos on her social media handle. INS report.